We're back in the garden for another garden chores day, and we are going to specifically be trying to remove specific pests. Grandmaster Ted is going to go right here so you can check him out because him and his ladies keep causing me problems. I'm also going to be instituting a new type of cover crop that is supposed to get rid of pests in ground as well as draw in beneficial insects, but we're going to get working on that right now. All right, so quick walkthrough, quick check-in. Blackberry amazing, peppers doing their thing. That one's actually making a comeback from the tomato hornworm attack. That one has actual red peppers on the bottom of it, which is super cool. Oh, it's a little feller, but it's on there. Oh, there's another one right there. Let's see. That one's also got a bunch going. Got a little bit of the plant. That's all right. Getting grass out of there. Oh, that's the pepper itself. Dang. Pruning on accident. All right, go throw these ones in the truck, please. Whoops. That one, for such a sad little plant, has got a bunch of peppers on it. I think we're going to go ahead and pick those, see if it'll peak back up. The basil's going to definitely need cut today. So we're thinking this one that fell over might be a poblano. There's two on there. I think I'm going to probably be picking those today. This one's rather showing signs of blossom end rot or weird leaf falling, flower dropping. There we go. That's what I meant. That pepper is going to be a good time. That tomato looks good. Let's see. All these ones are looking good. I don't really see any that are ripe, but I did see one already. There's a couple right there. That one's pig food. That one's pig food. Disgusting. Pig! Come on! Come on! Come on! Them other ones don't know like you guys do. Here you go. I got you all covered. All right, there's another one right there blushing. Let's see if it's gonna pass. Freaking stink bugs. All right, cool. That bell pepper is fully loaded. The blacks, I'm gonna have to pull that one back up again. That one's blushing. This is the one that I surely know who did what. And this is why we have to stop Grandmaster Ted, because he is destroying my stuff. That one goes to the pigs. There's 6 more in there. There's a bunch more there too. Dang! Got to do some more twining and pulling, but other than that, not too bad. Let's see. That sunflower head can come down, so can that sorghum. I don't really mess with the sorghum, but I like growing it because the birds like it, so whatever. Let's see. The sweet potatoes are doubling in size daily. I don't know why this one decided it needs to go this way, but we ain't having it. You're going to go this way. This one is tripled in size. It started rooting, so I had to move it. All this basil needs to be clipped. Stevia is finally getting up off the ground. Okra is like, oh, it's 100 degrees. Let me grow crazy. Brussels sprouts. Dang, them chickens did a number right here, didn't they? Nice. See, I like them for tilling, but I don't like them because they tear up all my plants. If that sunflower ever blooms, it's going to be awesome. The zucchini's blooming. I don't know if we got anything down there. Green beans are still looking sad. Lettuce bolted again, which I mowed it, but it keeps coming back. See, I think that plant's going to make it. And these two are starting to look decent. That's our midnight sunflowers. I've already made jokes about the corn patch being the greatest patch there is out here. The marigolds are going to need weeded around pretty heavy. African marigolds are out there doing their thing. Let's see here. Those sunflowers, though, you just can't beat them. They just show up randomly in the garden and we just let them rock. She's going to have to get her some more. It looks like the squash beetles have finally got to the pumpkins. There's a caterpillar. Oh, there is the mortal enemy of... Wow, you can't see him. There he is. Squash beetles out here trashing my pumpkins. We'll take care of them. That pumpkin's going to be ready to go. See the rest of these. That's a freaking big leaf for a pumpkin. This one's looked like it's getting toast. Never even stood a chance. We're going to collect some of that today to put on the garden probably. Let's see here. Not really seeing anything else of great interest. The other second row of pumpkins is doing pretty decent. That plant looks like it's toasting. This one's got bees inside the flowers doing their job. All right. The random tomato plant that did its own thing. And that pretty much sums up the walkthrough. I got some clipping I want to do, clean up, water, and so on and so forth. But the big task today is to stop Ted and his girlfriends. Because they ruin everything. They don't ruin everything. They eat a lot of the tomato hornworm, stuff like that. But I don't think he can find them in this jungle. So we're going to also tackle some of that today. I did not see a single hornworm stuck on the fence like I did the other day. If I find it, I'll show it. All right, feather pest removal part 1. So we just took the hog panel and we just slid it up between the barn and the old pig pen. Ziggy had to go to Bacon Town because he decided to charge the children, myself and my father. So it's okay to charge us, the gentleman of the farmstead area here, because my garden's off of Lazy Six Homestead Farms. But when you charge the women and children, that's a problem. And then the same thing, we came over here, we put a hog panel up, 2 T-posts to hold it in place. Hopefully this will stop freaking Ted and his ladies, because I got 3 more tomatoes today that were, of course, chewed on by them. But the good news is the pigs are eating like kings and they love it. So, all right, we got finished mowing. I'll record you, I don't care. Look, Wyatt and the boss out here weeding. We can't mess around today, the boss is on the scene. But we went from freaking straight up grass to dirt. I'm getting ready to cover all this with the free mulch that I like to gather from the entirety of Lazy Six Farms. And then hopefully by the end of the week, that monstrosity down there will be cleaned up again. We started mowing, then ended up backing out. So we're going to try again today, maybe. Hopefully it rains. That dirt was dry when we tilled it up. I still got to get in between some plants, but that's not the priority right now. Stop recording! So after all the work of mulching, making a row, we are going, I guess, walk back. We are going to plant some beets, which I have not yet to grow at all because I suck apparently, and carrots. These are both from Dollar General, I do believe. So what ifs? And all we're going to do is pop top off. Wow, that's a lot more carrots than I got out of that last bag. We're just going to give them a light little sprinkle. Everybody's going to say you got thin and so forth. I ain't worried about it as long as we get some carrots. Since I haven't successfully grown any carrots, I'm okay with that. And then the key to successful carrot germination is keeping them moist the entire time while they are germinating. We also have some fresh new rabbit poop in here, grass. It's a good time. It's been a long day. All right. And then we're going to stop at the carrots and we're going to put beets the rest of the way. These are actually compound seeds, so they can actually grow more than 1 plant per thing. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to shake them out. See what happens. Apparently, if you do this closer to the winter, they're actually supposed to be sweeter. I don't like beets because they taste like dirt, but whatever. The wife wants them for her iron supplementing and beet juice and whatnot, which still sounds disgusting.